Introducing Moss Echo. Moss Echo is an LED panel that purifies air in the most eco-friendly way. It's the first of its kind to utilize light pole technology for a 20% increase in moss photosynthesis efficiency, effectively improves indoor air quality. Wake up to the gentle sunlight and nature sounds instead of a sudden alarm in the morning. The refreshing air from Moss Echo overnight will help you start your day feeling more refreshed. In speaker mode, Moss Echo enhances your relaxation in an audio-visual way. With stable, immersive sound, you can conveniently adjust the equalizer in the app. With the sleep mode feature that automatically turns off display and sound, you'll sleep even more comfortably with Moss Echo. Experience nature in your life. Moss Echo.